Hi, my name is Jack. I made this video to share my experience 3 months after buying TedsWoodworking, and I hope it can contribute to your decision to buy or not. If you decide to buy, to help you, I'll be leaving here above the link to the official site. What is TedsWoodworking? TedsWoodworking is a collection of 16,000 woodworking plans that will teach you step by step how to do a job cheaper, faster and without headaches. It is a course with the largest database of woodworking projects on Earth. Does TedsWoodworking work? Yes, it works. Just do it the right way as it is taught, and you will get your woodworking results better than you can imagine. TedsWoodworking Guarantee. TedsWoodworking offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If within 2 months you find that the plans are not as good as you expected, simply request a refund directly with the producer and they will refund your entire investment. Is TedsWoodworking plans legit? Yes, it works. Just do it the right way as it is taught, and you will get your woodworking results better than you can imagine.